Hi, everyone. I hit a lull in my open house at 341 Birchwood Drive in Lake Arrowhead. So I thought I would take you on a quick little tour so you can see what's available at this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home located within walking distance of Lake Arrowhead. And of course, it's got lake rides. Come on, take a look with me. So this is 341 Birchwood Drive in beautiful Lake Arrowhead, California. Now, right about now, you could be thinking, oh my gosh, Teresa, I have to come see this home in person. And that would be great. Go ahead and reach out to me and we'll set up your private tour. If for some reason this isn't quite the right house for you, but kind of sort of hitting that vibe, great. Let's set up a time. Let's tour some homes together. And of course, as usual, I'm going to ask you, if this isn't quite the right house for you, but maybe you know someone who should see this home, make sure that you share this video to them so that they can reach out to me and arrange their private tour. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Teresa Grant, your local realtor. Bye for now.